Hi, today we're going to teach you on how to delete our listening history on Spotify. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's begin. Please know that Spotify doesn't actually have a clear history on its application because Spotify solely relies on your listening history in order for them to help you or to cater songs for your liking. But what we can do here is we can simply stop our history from being recorded. And the first thing that we need to do here is to head on over to our profile, then click on settings and privacy, privacy and social right here, and from there simply press or turn on private sessions. And from there, all of the songs that you will be listening from head on or from now on will no longer be recorded in your history. But there is a particular way for you to actually remove or to clear your listening history. What you need to do here is to simply go to settings and simply log out from your account. And after that, once you've logged out, simply listen to a few songs, even though that you are logged out. And once you've done that, what you need to do is to simply log in back again with your Spotify account and hopefully it will be cleared. I hope this video helped and thank you for watching.